Do you know someone by the name of Diamonte Kendrick?
Street name.
Deamonte or Yak?
I know of them.
You know of them?
Yeah, I know of them.
When you say you know of them, what does that mean?
I know of them. Like,
Have you ever met them before?
yeah,
Okay. Have you ever spent time with them before?
I've been around them.
Okay. Do you see that person in the courtroom today?
Yeah, he's a rapper.
Okay, that's fine. He's a rapper. Do you see him in the courtroom today?
I said, yes, he's a rapper. I see him in the courtroom. Yes.
Okay, you can identify him by article of clothing that he is wearing.
I think gray and white, white and gray. I don't know.
Where is he sitting next to someone?
Yeah, he's sitting next to the white man.
Okay. Y'all, please let the record reflect that Mr. Copeland has identified Mr. Kendrick.
It shall.
And do you know what do you call him?
By his rap name.
What's that?
Yak Gotti.
Okay. Is Yak Gotti from Atlanta?
I don't know.
How did you first meet him?
I don't know.
Did you all go to school together?
No.
Are you sure the two of you did not go to school together?
Objection, asked and answered.
I stand objection.
Do you recall previously stating that you all went to school together?
I never went to school with him.
Okay. About when did you first meet him?
When I first meet him or when I first started hanging with him? Been around anything.
I'm going to ask first when you first met him.
What's your definition of meet?
When's the first time you remember meeting him for the first time?
Where I come from, we hear of people before we meet them, so I don't know, I don't know what you mean, meet. Like, I heard of him.
When is the first time you heard of him?
Through a friend of mine.
Okay. About how long ago was that?
I can't recall.
All right. If this year is 2024, was it when you were in elementary school, middle school, high school, adult life?
When I was done with school.
When you were done with school. You said you met him through a friend. When did you all start hanging out with each other?
Like, what you mean, personally?
Yes.
We didn't hang like me, Shannon, and Dee did.
Okay. So it wasn't like you and Shannon and Dee, but did the two of you hang out together?
We done been places like in the club, but we never rode in the car together.
Okay. Have you ever been anywhere else besides the club together?
Yeah, studio. I've been in the studio while they was in there recording.
Have y'all been anywhere else together?
I don't recall.
Okay. I know you said you all been out together. Have you all ever communicated with each other on the telephone?
Not that I can recall.
Have you ever communicated with him with FaceTime or any other video chat services?
I wasn't clear.
That wasn't my question. So I'm asking you a different question.
Ask me, have I ever communicated with him on telephone, right?
Have you ever spoken with him on the telephone?
I don't recall having no conversation with him on no phone, none of that.
Okay. When was the last time you remember going out to the club or hanging out with him?
As in, what you mean?
You said that you would go to the club, go to the studio. When was the last time you had been to the club with Yak?
The last time I've been in a club with him, we didn't go to the club together.
When's the last time that you've been with him at the club together?
I can't recall no specific date.
Okay. Was that this year in 2024? Just yes or no?
No.
What about in 2023? Yes or no?
No.
Okay. What about before 2015? Because 2015 you went to jail, right?
So what you mean before 2015?
So where you went to jail June 2015. You spent 4 years in jail, right?
I did.
Okay. So I'm asking you, before you went to jail, do you think that that was the last time you were in the club with him?
No, I saw him in the club and like when I got the feds.
Okay. So sometime in 2019.
Yeah, I guess.
All right.
2020, I don't know.
All right. When was the last time you've been in the studio with him?
A long time ago.
Okay. In those times that you have been, in and out of jail, have you ever spoken to him while you were in jail?
Not to my knowledge. I can't recall if I have or haven't. I don't know. But I don't believe I have.